What's up, everybody out there on YouTube? Today I've got a little bit of a review that's not typically normal for this channel right here, but the whole reason why I'm doing this particular review is because I'm going to get something in return. Now, no money has changed hands. I ordered this, purchased it with my own money on Amazon. Amazon shipped it to me, and the reason I'm doing a review is because of this. Shabow! Amazon says thank you. It also says thank you for purchasing our products. In order to have a better experience when using our product, we have prepared a gift for you that you may be interested in. If you could share your product experience on Amazon, you will have the opportunity to get this free of charge gift as follows. And it's a lapel microphone, which was going to be my next purchase because we've got to get better audio on this channel. So, what I'm reviewing today is actually making the video way better than it has been. In the past, I haven't had the greatest lighting, and I've noticed that ever since we started these Cosplay Thursdays because all of them are inside. Prior to that, I ran GoPros on a drone, and we were outside all the time, and so lighting wasn't really that big of a deal. I didn't spend a lot of money on lighting, and then we moved inside, we started doing all these cosplay 3D printing things, and for some reason I just never went out and got a light. A proper lighting light. So I went on Amazon and I found this ring. I seen a guy that vlogs, and he had a ring around his phone. It was a lot bigger than this one, but it seemed to work really well, and he said that he used just a regular phone and used the light around it, and it made the video that much better. And so I bought this. It was super cheap. It was like $26, $27 or something like that on Amazon. It comes with this stand here. It's a little tiny mini stand, which is awesome. When you make 3D printing stuff, you can't have enough camera stands. And it also came with this bigger stand here. And I will show you guys some video of the unboxing right here. It comes with this little adapter that you can tilt back and forth and stuff, and you can also tilt this one back and forth, which is awesome. Because you can't use enough stands. Can't get enough stands, and you can't get enough articulation on the stands when you're doing this stuff, because when it comes to the 3D printing, and I can do way more footage of the 3D printing now because the light's so much better, because I have stands for all my cameras. So I have this GoPro, I have another GoPro, and these are going to be perfect for those. So I've got this little connector here. And there, I've got a GoPro stand. And then a stand for my phone, because my phone is on the stand. So I'm going to show you guys on the GoPro here just what the stand looks like. How I've got it set up. So here it is here. You guys can see my phone and then the ring of light around it. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. The light dial in, and you guys can see how I have this set up. It's just a little phone case that has a tension thing that you can tighten up or loosen up. My phone sets in it perfectly. And then the way that I got this ring to set on here, if you look in here, this is thin enough that it comes down onto the camera stand, and then leaves enough coming up through here that this goes onto the camera stand too. So they both just kind of twist it on together, and there's just enough room between here to set that. What I can also do is with the GoPro, this spot right here kind of just fits right on top of the little GoPro thing. I could also use this right here, just tighten the tension up for the GoPro. I mean, there's all sorts of ways and configurations that I can do this. So it's actually perfect for me. Follow this down. It has this little thing here. You've got your on and off, which pushing it turns it on and off. And then you also have, you can dim it down. Oh, let's turn it on. You can also dim it way down. And you can brighten it back up. And then you can change the color mode. So 1, 2, 3. 3 different colors. I like that one. I've got it plugged into the back of my computer here. You can see that it's just got a USB thing, but you can plug that into any phone charger and plug it into the wall and it'll work. This has got a pretty long cord. Anyways, I'm pretty pumped about it. Maybe I can do this. One from the front so you can see it, one from behind. All right. Yeah, I'm pretty pumped about it. It's pretty cool. I mean, this is the first day that I've had it. I just unboxed it and stuff. So I'm not quite sure how long it lasts, but it has made a complete noticeable difference. I've done a live video conference with my job with the light on, and they all told me that the video footage was way better, way crisper, and that was on my webcam, my integrated webcam on my laptop, which sucks. It is the most grainy camera I have, and it's one of the reasons why I haven't went live using my computer, because the camera just sucks on it. But the light, it shows you how much lighting actually helps a camera. This camera that I'm using right now in front of me, I think only shoots about 1080p, if that, and it's been grainy and blurry and things like that. And so you guys can see the difference that this light is going to make. You guys will see the difference that it's going to make. Just go back and watch one of my old videos. And then this one, this camera, is a 4K camera. So I'll put them side by side and you can see the 4K camera over here, and then the it's right around 1080p camera over here. Oh, that's my phone. And just how much of a difference the light makes. So here's with the light on. And this is with the light off and just using my overhead ceiling fan lights. So this is what I've been using right here. And I got a 4K camera to make everything better, and still without proper lighting, the 4K camera, you're not really going to get much from it. So this, I mean, I needed this, and I'm probably going to order 3 or 4 more of them because they have a little clip on the back right up here. You can put a nail in and hang it up. So whenever I build the studio and we get the actual studio, everything moved out to the studio, then we can have some of these lights set around because they're real bright and they're really good. For as cheap as they are, I do want to get some bigger, more expensive ones. I think the whole circular thing is the way to go. I really do. And that's it. That's my review. So I appreciate it, guys. If you guys send me this lapel thing, I will definitely put it to good use, because this was the next thing I was planning on ordering anyways, because we need good audio now. Now we've got good lighting. Now we've got a 4K camera. Now we need good audio. And then this channel, after this Iron Man's done and we start doing the Stormtrooper and then the new cosplay Thursdays, once the Stormtrooper's done, this channel's just gonna, it's gonna be so much better. I've invested, guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll see you guys later. Y'all have a good one.